Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add shipping rates to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Right here you can see this. Let me show you your Shopify dashboard, and then you have to tap onto this side your online store, and then you have to tap onto themes. After clicking onto themes, you have to tap onto shipping and delivery. Under the store details you can see this option, shipping and delivery. After clicking onto it, you can see this as there's only one added from previously, and if you want you can also add more, and you can delete this one by tapping onto three dot icon. You can delete these shipping zones and you can create new shipping zones by simply tapping onto create zone, and then you can add rate right from here to your shipping zones. As you can see, this one standard is $50 and up and etc, and this rate is 13.99 euro, almost 14 euro. You can just add rate. You can choose any region of your choice by simply tapping on to create zone right here. Let me show you. Here create zone. Also you can delete previously zones easily. So that's how this is how you can add shipping rates to your Shopify store very easily. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.